Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I know. I'm sorry. I've been so busy with work and like trying to figure things out for the end of the year, but here I am, and I am so excited to announce that I do have a French channel for those who care. But other than that, this is me, this is it, and I wanted to share with you guys today this tutorial on my like go-to ponytail. It's kinky. It's not like super slick back because I don't do the super slick back life. I never managed to do it, so I found something that just works for me and I like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I've added a little something because I'm a little extra, but this is one of my signature hairstyles at the moment, so I wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you truly enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss any one of my videos. Activate the notification bell, and also I've decided that I'm uploading on Wednesdays now, so that's gonna be my thing. So check back on Wednesdays. If you haven't heard from me in a bit and I haven't popped up in your subscriptions, just check on Wednesdays for new videos. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for watching. So the tutorial starts now. So we're going to start by actually looking at the status of my hair and see. To be honest, my hair has been in this bun since I took out my previous hairstyle, which is our style I'm redoing right now. And I've been loving these recently to hold my hair, to tie my hair. I don't know why it took me so long to get caught onto these, but these are the business, okay? So you can just notice that my hair isn't like freshly washed or anything. It was in a hairstyle before. I just don't have time to rewash my hair, so I'm gonna go with hair that's like used and go ahead and do this hairstyle again. So starting with a rat tail comb, I'm going to like part my hair in the way that I want it. And if you see weird things just falling out of my hair, it's because my hair's a bit dirty and it's a bit flaky. I'm sorry, it's disgusting, but it is what it is, okay? So I'm looking in this side because I'm going to create my part for my cornrow going down. It's going to go down in the middle. It's going down. Put it this side. So now we're just going to hydrate my hair a little bit, and I'm using this. It's a, let me check. So it's a keratin 233 repair and shine leave-in treatment for damaged hair. Consider my hair damaged because it has, it's color treated, and obviously I've gone through this process many times. Okay, friends, I think I'm going to do the rest of the video on voiceover just so that I can gather my thoughts and focus on what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going in with this soft bristle brush, and I'm just basically like brushing my hair down, kind of slicking it back a little bit because I just want to have it tucked away in a little ponytail or little bun, using my ponytail or my new clip hair thingies that I've shown you. So now I'm spraying my hair. I'm hydrating the piece that's going to be cornrowed, and I'm using coconut oil to seal in the moisture and to add a little bit of shine, because I do want my cornrow going back to be really cute and like neat-ish looking. I'm not like a super cornrower, but they look kind of neat, so that's super important for me. So I'm doing that, and I'm basically just going to cornrow all the way back to like the center of my head, kind of like the crown area, and then just let it go. And then what I'm going to do is like take my hair out so that I can now slick it back again and add some coconut oil all over it, and basically just put it back, slick it back a little bit with the brush again, and then put some pins to hold it down on the side so that I can do my bun easier, or at least just put it in a ponytail easier. So like you can see, I am using the hooks to secure my hair. It takes a little bit of practice to do this, you guys. It's not everybody who really enjoys this. So yeah, and I'm just gonna braid my hair all the way down and roll it around, and bam. So now my hair is ready, and I'm using these clip-in extensions. They're actually from my personal brand called Uzuri Hair. And what I'm doing is I've sewn all these clip-ins together, and I'm going to like clip onto my bun. I find this to be a lot easier to do than just using regular wefts. I like using the clip-ins to secure onto like my little bun, and then to just continue to secure around and around. And I think, you know, it's not everybody who's going to be super comfortable with this technique, because some people may find that it's like the ponytail is a bit bulky because of the clips, but I like it. I like a bulky-ish ponytail. And basically what I'm doing to make sure that this looks clean is obviously grabbing a section of hair on one side and covering the tracks by going around, and I'm doing the same, and that's it. Okay guys, I am so pissed. I'm so pissed. Like, I literally just spent my time like basically just kind of filming a lot of things that I obviously stopped filming. I don't know why my camera does that. It's so annoying. So I had filmed this whole piece on my edges, and I was explaining which, you know, edge control I used, and in this case I used the Got To Be gel. As you guys all know, I don't need it needs no introduction, but usually I alternate between these two. The thing with this one though, the Cream of Nature Flexible Styling Knot, is I find that it just flakes a whole lot. For me, like, you know, it's this thing, it's as flaky as some of your friends, you know, like it's just not, it says no flakes, but maybe it's something that I'm not doing right. So if you've used this and you don't have flakes, let me know. But so I prefer using it if it's like very little on the edges, and I know that like there's not much time in between my wash day and the day that I'm doing the hairstyle, because otherwise it's a whole lot of work trying to get your like the flakes out. And honestly, like I usually have to use like a cotton pad and like alcohol to just like wipe it off of my hairline, so that's a bit scary for me. So I went for this for safety's sake, and yeah. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. I ran into a couple of technical difficulties. But I do hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I really hope you check back in soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and check out my French channel if you speak French. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for being with me on this journey. Bye!